In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how you can change the language in the YouTube app. You will be able to change the language of the videos, of the titles, of the settings, of every function and every button on the app. Let me launch the YouTube app and let me show you how this actually works. The first thing that you want to do, you want to click on the lower right corner at your small profile picture. Then you want to go ahead and click on the gear icon at the upper right. We want to go to the settings menu. Now, when we're at the settings menu, you will see that there is a section on the top that is called General. We want to click on it. If you scroll down, you will see that the option number 4 in the menu is App Language. You want to click on it. When you click on App Language, you will be simply forward to a page where you can simply change the language from your default settings on your device. As you can see, the last option over here is change language, and you can set a preferred language. For example, could be French, could be Spanish, could be German. And once when you change the language from here, your total experience on YouTube app will change because the device will change the language and the app will change the language as well. It's like setting a default theme on my device, like a dark theme, and I will have dark theme all over the place on the other social media apps as well. For more videos like this guys, subscribe and like this video.